Hey everybody, Rev Dan here. I am with Bill Stanwood, and I noticed a while back that we have these black bins with yellow tops in back of the building, and I'm still just learning what they are. Bill, what are these things?
Well, technically, they're called vermicomposting bins. These are homes for red wiggler earthworms.
They're worm homes.
Correct.
Okay, so for homeless worms, we have containers. What else do they do?
They manage what we call organic material technically, but in real life, it's garbage. It's basically kitchen leftovers, kitchen scraps that would otherwise go in the trash, but we turn them into, with magic earthworms, they turn them into fertilizer.
So this is composting bins.
This is the most efficient kind of composting.
Okay, so talk a little bit more about exactly what composting is and how the worms do that in these containers.
Basically, composting is taking organic material, and organic material is all around us. And nature takes organic material, all the stuff that you see out here, and in about a year, nature turns that into soil, into humus. And that's good for plants. It's a wonderful circle. And there are lots of small creatures, all kinds of even micro-sized creatures. But earthworms are a part of the biosphere around us that is changing that material into soil. This is a faster system because the earthworms, there's more of them, and it's a concentrated process that works faster than what happens just around the church.
Why is composting good for us to do, especially as a UU congregation?
The major reason is we shouldn't throw organic material into any kind of a collection system that's either going to burn it or bury it. It is wrong to put it back into the environment in a way that when it breaks down into methane and carbon, it gets partly into the atmosphere and creates more climate problems.
Which is what happens when it goes to landfill.
Landfill or incineration, burning it.
All right. So at home, we throw basically everything into the trash can, don't really think much about it. Then we close up the bag, throw the bag in the dumpster. It comes along, the garbage man picks it up in the truck. They take it out to a landfill where what bad things happen?
Basically, it breaks down into two things. Smelly, awful smell stuff that is going to be there for the length of time that pile is there, plus the gases that it emits.
Okay.
And there is also liquid waste that gets into our water system. So all in all, it doesn't belong in our trash.
All right, so that sounds like a pretty good incentive to me. So what we're gonna do over the next several Wednesdays, who knows, maybe forever, is we're gonna have Worm Bin Wednesday videos. And it'll be a series of lessons and just tracking what happens inside of here. So this is just a basic introduction to composting, what we do with composting, and why this is good for us to do here at UUFCC. When we come back for the next video, we're going to open this lid and talk about exactly what happens in there.